Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to do a formal intro, so hello there. As you can tell by the title, this video is going to be about this beautiful wig here. I've never tried a wig like this before, and yeah, here we go. We jumping right into this. This wig is from Unice Hair. I got it from their Amazon store. It's a body wave highlight honey blonde 13 by 5 by 1 lace frontal wig. As you guys can see here, there's only, I say, a half an inch of lace in the front. The lace does come with brownish lace. I would say a light brown lace. It does have one comb in the back here, adjustable straps, a comb on each side in the front near the temples, and there's just this one part here. That's it. You can't move it. It's just one middle part. The wig is constructed really well and it lays really nice and flat. So here I am going in with my Got To Be Glued. I'm putting that on my forehead and on my edges just to push those back. I like to use the yellow bottle just to push my edges back, like I said, but also to kind of help the lace stick to my skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and just switch out the stocking caps. I'm switching to a beige stocking cap, and I'm gonna go in with my Eben lace tint spray and just spray this. Now I'm trying out the Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray, and I think this is the extreme hold. This is my first time using it. I want to try one side with this and then one side with the Tresemme spray I usually use. This spray was very runny, so be careful. I did get it in my hair there. Horrible, yikes, but it's okay. I'll fix that later. Just make sure you have a wipe. Yeah, it's really runny. So like I said, I'm going in with my Tresemme spray on the other side. I don't know why I decided to do half and half, but yeah, that's what we're going with today. I just wanted to test out the hold, so here we go. I'm going in with this elastic band to just let things dry. So I let this sit for a few minutes, and as you guys can see here, I'm just going in with a comb and just combing out the spray. It does get really sticky, so be careful. Here I'm going in and cutting the lace into 3 sections. I've just been finding this really easy to do. I've just been applying my wigs this way, so this is what we're doing. I'm going in with the smaller eyebrow scissors, and I'm just going to cut as close as I can to that hairline. I was really nervous about this color, but I really like that it has a warm tone, but it also has cool tones as well. I really like it. So, as I mentioned, this is my first time using that Eben spray to lay my wig down, and it really is good. It definitely laid the wig down really well. As you guys can see, I have to like peel that lace up. It is like stuck, so it is good. It's a little messy. I have to get used to the consistency of it, but I definitely would recommend this spray. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see the bottle that I have is pretty small. I got the smaller size just because I wanted to try it. They do have a larger size. Here I'm just showing you what everything is looking like after the co-wash. I didn't straighten anything. I'm just showing you the color. Here's what we're looking like with no baby hairs, but I'm gonna add them soon. I just wanted to show you guys what things are looking like. The hairline of this wig is really round. I like that and I hate that at the same time. The parting, I could have plucked it, but I'm not gonna pluck it. I didn't bleach the knots or anything. I'm just off camera gonna go ahead and add some concealer to my part just to make it pop a bit more. For this look today, I felt like I wanted to have a lot of baby hairs, so I'm just pulling out the hair that I want. Like I said, this is a 13 by 5 by 1, so it's 13 inches of lace across the front, 5 inches of lace going back in that middle part, and then 1 inch across for the middle part, just so you know. I did go in with this spray again just to lay the baby hairs down. That was a bad idea because, like I said, this Eben spray is super sticky, so I'm gonna have to peel those hairs off my head later on. I do that off camera. Yeah, it was a mess, but it's fine. I fixed it. Here I'm going in with this teeny tiny flat iron that I got from my beauty supply store. It's so cute. I really like those little teeth on the flat iron. It like helps the hair glide through really easy. I just like this. This is the Argente method. So you curl your baby hairs just so it's easier to like lay down and get that like swoopy effect. I really like this. After I curled the baby hairs, it was giving me like fairy tale vibes and I loved it. But I do end up cutting the baby hairs, of course. So to lay them down, I showed you guys I was using the Nairobi mousse, and I'm also going back and forth between that and the Tresemme hairspray. Like I said, you don't get a lot of lace room up there, but if you want to create this like full baby hair look, you can do it. You just have to take your time because the tracks are right there. They're so close to the front, but you can make it work. So here's what everything is looking like after I've laid these baby hairs down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just flat iron the hair with this flat iron that I got from Sally's a really long time ago. If I find the link, I will put it down below, so check the description box. All the details on this wig will be down there. This wig is 150% density, so it wasn't too full. I do wish it was a little bit fuller, so I think 180% density would have been perfect, but it does straighten really well. The hair is really soft, and I do like this wig. It does lay flat overall. I didn't use the hot comb for this wig. I just used the end of the flat iron and just laid it on the part area, and that was that. All right, I've got to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.